How to fix Facebook music story not showing. So if you are facing a problem with Facebook music story, like if you are posting a story and if you can't find the music option in it, then first of all, here you have to open up your Play Store and make sure to update your app. So to do that, you can simply tap on the search bar and then search for Facebook. And after that, here instead of this open option, if you have an update option, you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Facebook application. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then you have to open up your phone settings, and after opening, now scroll down and go to apps and notifications, and then you can go to see all apps and you have to search for Facebook. And after tapping on the Facebook, now under the Facebook you will have storage and cache option. Simply tap on that, and then here you will have clear cache option. Simply tap on clear cache and clear all of your cache. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Facebook application, and after opening your Facebook, now you can go to the upper right corner which has the 3-bar icon, and here after opening your profile, you can simply scroll down and here under help and support you will have report a problem option. You can simply tap on report a problem and then again tap on report a problem and then don't include, and here you have to scroll down and choose stories, and from here you can simply describe the issue that I'm not being able to add music to my story. And after describing your issue, you can simply upload some screenshots from your phone by simply taking the screenshot, and after that you can simply tap on the arrow which is on the upper right corner, and after that Facebook will take action on that. So that's it. These were the few ways to fix your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.